We have some of the best people here. If you need help with anything, all you have to do is ask someone and they'll give you a hand. They're good at what they do, and they provide the best service, they do the best job possible.
The education aspect of it, everybody works together as a team. Bonuses, that's always good.
I would absolutely recommend a friend work here. I've worked in the industry for over 15 years now and have worked at various companies, and even though I work in the green industry, it is not always the most green of industries. What I find most rewarding is hearing back from my clients years or months after we've put in a project. So I appreciate that Quiet Village cares about the environment and cares about sustainability, that it's one of our core values that makes us different from other landscaping companies.